everyone. Today we shall study about Wordsworth English Reader of Class 4. The chapter is Grandparents. I hope you have seen and understood my previous chapters videos. Okay, now today we shall start with the poem Grandparents. Yes, grandparents is the most lovable word. Everybody likes this. When we think about grandparents, sense of happiness, a smile on our face, refreshing things begin to come to our mind. Let us see what is here. Before you read, most of us have grandparents. What is so special about them? What is so special about them? Yes, very special things about them. Memorable things, unexpected, love, care, concern, and so many things beyond explanation is there. When I think back to the days when I was a child, I think about all of my wonderful childhood memories are so relishing and makes me smile and laugh. Now, why do we like spending time with our grandparents? Yes, grandparents are an example of love and care. Yes, the stories they tell us, the values they give us, stories of mythological things, stories of Rama, Krishna, and previous stories of God and goddesses, stories of moral values, what and what not. So many things, but the time we spent with them was very good. It was a very precious time. It was very precious memories that I have. Now let us continue. Few can bring the warmth. Warmth means feeling of love. Yes, they are a source of love to us. We can find in their embrace. When we meet to them, they hug us so tight that I felt my bones would break. And that love was splendid. Love and care is needed. That I needed, that is always welcomed. Who does not like love and care? Everybody likes this. To bring a smile on their face. To bring the smile on the face of their children, they show their love and concern and care towards them. Okay, these are the precious memories. They are the source of love. They are the source of care to us. Okay, they love us, they pamper us a lot. Embrace means hug, gale lagana. Okay, who bring a smile on their face? Love and care is needed that brings a smile on their face. On their face means just to say on the children's face, on the grandparents' face. Okay, who are we here? We are the grandparents and grandchildren all. Okay, so few can bring the warmth and we can find in their embrace. When they embrace us, when they hug us, we feel very happy, very loving, very touching. Okay, now few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. Fine. Now next is they are a storehouse of stories. The storehouse means a place where we keep things to use when needed. Okay, you remember that they are a storehouse of stories. Yes, grandparents are a source of joy to us. They narrate the most memorable stories. What stories? Stories about life, stories about honesty, stories about God and Goddess, Ram, Sita, Hanuman, Mahabharat, Pandavas, kindness, faith, Mahatma Buddha, and so many, endless. Okay, they are. That's why they are storehouse of stories. Their stories never end. Every day they have new story, and they have time to wipe out our tears. Yes, they have time to wipe our tears because they are free from other responsibilities and they can afford time. They can afford time to play with us, to smile with us, to enjoy with us. And whenever we are unhappy, they wipe our tears. Wipe means dry cloth, dry with a cloth or one's hand. Yes, whenever we are unhappy, they make us happy. They make us laugh and smile. Yes, they cannot tolerate that we are unhappy and we are in sad mood. No, they cannot tolerate this. However, they try their best to make us laugh and smile every time. Okay, and grow precious through the years. प्रेशियस मीन्स ऑफ ग्रेट वैल्यू, बहुत कीमती चीज़ें हमको बताते हैं. दे हैव ग्रोन ओल्ड बिकॉज दे हैव एक्सपीरियंस सो मच ऑफ द थिंग्स इन देयर लाइफ एंड देन दे इम्पार्ट ऑल द एक्सपीरियंसेस टू अस अबाउट देयर लाइफ and their stories give us useful tips to develop better insight in future, better things, to be a better human beings in future. I believe that God sent us grandparents. Yes, grandparents are God's greatest gift. I believe, I have faith, as are present from above. Yes, God has sent. We are blessed to have grandparents to share the moments of our life. Yes, they share their moments, happiest moments, sad moments, experiences to us. The blessings and the wishes of grandparents inspire the children, feel morally high and boosted. It's energy giving to us as a symbol of God's love. Yes, grandparents are the symbol of God's love. Directly, God has given one more God on earth to us to love, care, and make them smile, happy, and laugh. Such are the memories with grandparents. We cannot forget those days that we have spent with our grandparents. Those are the immemorable stories. Okay, now who are the storehouse of stories? Yes, grandparents are the storehouse of stories. Who make us laugh and smile? Grandparents make us laugh and smile. Okay, what did the poet believe? Poet believes that the God has sent us grandparents as are present from above. Whom does or what is as a symbol of God's love? Who are a symbol of God's love? Grandparents are the symbol of God's love. Okay. Here we see so many things about poetic expression. First thing we see that there are stanzas 1, 2 and 3. 3 stanzas. For poem, we consider mainly on the rhythm. Rhythm means to say ending last words. Last words and with the same type of pronunciation are rhythmical. Okay, they have rhyme. Like warmth, no here, embrace, face. Okay, there is no same pronunciation rhyming of warmth and needed. Okay, Now embrace and face, yes, both are rhyming words. Fine. Same as stories and smile. No, these are not rhyming because they are not sounding same at the last. एंड में सेम साउंड से एंड नहीं हो रहे हैं, सो दे आर नॉट राइमिंग. ओके, टीयर्स एंड ईयर्स एंड्स विद द सेम साउंड, सो दे आर in rhyme. These are called rhyming words. If we ask you a pair of rhyming words, means to say you have to write two words, okay, of the same ending pronunciation. Okay. Next is above love, ends with the same pronunciation. So we can find these example of rhyming schemes here. Now there is another thing. Okay, another thing is here, as. See, use two places, and where there we use as, there is a figure of speech named as simile. In a simile, there is a comparison between two things which have at least one point in common. That is represented here. Okay, for exams, we will give you one extract, one paragraph, and will ask about the name of the story, the poet of the story. Here the poet of the story is anonymous, means not known. Okay, so less chances to ask the poet. What do you understand by warmth? Warmth means feeling of love. What do you understand by embrace? Means hug. What is the pair of rhyming scheme here? Embrace and face. What are the two things needed to the children? Love and care. Okay, what are the two nouns here? Love, care, smile are the nouns here. Warmth and embrace are also nouns. Same as in other. Who are they here? They are grandparents. Grandparents are the storehouse of stories. Okay, why they are called storehouse of stories? Because their stories never end. Okay, they have time to wipe our tears. How they have time to wipe our tears? Because nowadays they are free from other responsibilities of life. Okay, they make us laugh and smile. How? By telling us the stories, by sharing our emotions, by listening to us. They laugh and smile. They make us laugh and smile. What does the poet believe? Who is I here? I is poet here. He believes that God has sent us grandparents as our present from above. Present here means gift, not absent and present. It's present means gift here. Okay, God has sent us grandparents as a gift from above. Above means from the heaven. Okay, from the heaven God has sent the gift to us. Such a precious gift that we shall always remember. In this way, children, you learn the poem in proper rhythm and understand it. You can write central idea or speak the central idea of the poem. Yes, one and most important thing is you should love your grandparents, listen to your grandparents, do take care of them, give time to them. Okay, always love them. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.